Hi, welcome to our digital classroom. So when you go to our digital classroom, this is our homepage. It has information about your weekly class schedule, some tips, digital office hours, your Google assignment calendar, how to ask for help, and important websites and how to access them. So this page won't change very often. I'll update it as needed, but this is always going to have your information for class that you might need to know. The next thing we're going to look at is for each week, I'll post a new page on Sunday night or Monday morning. And this page will have everything that you need to know for completing your lessons, assignments, activities, and homework for that week. So it's really important that you go through and you read everything on this page. I will also make a separate video for each week as well. So on each page, you're going to have your suggested weekly schedule and checklist. This is just suggested, so that means you can make your own too. I also included how much time estimated it might take you to do each assignment. That will change based on who you are though. So this is going to be your classwork for the week. It's broken in by subject. So the first thing you're going to see is language arts. All classwork is due Friday at 3 p.m. So for this week, you can see that you have a couple of assignments. You have some Greek and Latin root words to work on, including a video. You also have a writing assignment that you'll be doing as well. Then you'll get to math. So for math, we're going to be focusing on volume right now. You'll have some Zern lessons to complete for each week as well. They'll change, obviously. And then at the bottom is either going to be social studies or science, maybe both sometimes. This week we're focusing on social studies. So you can see that I included a lot of videos. Yes, you do need to watch the videos. They're a part of your lessons. And then when you get to the bottom, you will see your weekly homework. So your weekly homework is not going to change for these last 7 weeks of school. I would estimate that it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to complete your homework. You're always going to have 30 minutes of con and some assignments. You're always going to have you're going to have 2 C readers and a vocabulary to complete on Reading Plus. And that's about 45 minutes of Reading Plus, and then 30 minutes of independent reading. Can you do more on these things? Yes, of course. And then last but not least, you're going to complete a check-in form with me about the week on Sunday. So this check-in form is important because it lets me know how you felt about the week, how you're doing, if you have any questions, and that kind of thing. So our check-in form looks like this. And the week will change, but the questions won't. So you'll go through and let me know how you're feeling this week, how you did with completing your work, and how you feel about next week. So it is important that you do that. Now, some of your assignments will be completed through Google Classroom, but not all. Most of the time your math will be Zern or Con, so you won't really have much math to do on Google Classroom. However, you will have a lot of language arts and social studies and science to complete on here. So make sure that you are also paying attention to this. All right, so welcome to your digital classroom. And if you have any questions, I will be answering them on Monday. Bye.